Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, I was teaching Sanmitram. Do you remember the story? Senajit Raja had expelled his efficient minister Devrata out of his kingdom. Why? Because he told Raja will be respected only in his kingdom, but the scholar is respected not only in his country but also in foreign country. Raja did not like minister's opinion, so he expelled out of his kingdom. Devrata had three friends. First, Vachikamitra. He went to Vachikamitra's house. For few days, he gave shelter. Then afterwards, he started fearing because of the king's punishment. So Devrata came out of his house. Then he went to the second friend, Somadeva. He too treated him very well in the beginning. Can't I do this much also for my friend? Like this, he spoke in a very pleasant manner. Devrata also very much impressed by his hospitality. So mitrasya mahadaudaryam manyamanaha Devrataha sadhuvadam dattavan. Up to this, I had stopped. So open the page number 80, that is second paragraph. Okay. Param achiram eva somadevena mantri abhani. Param achiram eva. Within a short time, Somadevena mantri abhani. Somadeva told to Minister Devrata. Aho mitra. Oh Gelaya, my friend, naham vismarame tavopakaram. Tava upakaram naham vismarame. I will never forget your help. ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಮಮ ಗೃಹೇ ಭವತಃ ವಾಸಃ ಯದಿ ರಾಜ್ಞಾ ವಿದಿತಶ್ಚೇತ್. Now he came to the real point. Yadi, in case, Raja viditaschet. If the king comes to know about your bhavatah vasah, about your stay in my house, mama grahe. If the king comes to know about your stay in my house, nunam mam shulam aropayishati. Really, he will hang me. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆತ ಶೂಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಆತನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಶೂಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮೀ. ರಾಜಾದೇಶೋಲ್ಲಂಘಕಸ್ಯ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಪ್ರದಾನಂ ಅಪರಾಧ ಇತಿ ಅಹಂ ಜಾನೆ ಐ ನೋ. ಅಪರಾಧ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫೆನ್ಸ್. ವೈ? Ashraya Pradhanam, to give shelter to whom? Rajadesha Ullanghakasya. To give shelter to a person who violates king's order. ರಾಜಾಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಮೀರಿದಂತವನಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ರಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದು ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಪರಾಧ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಎ ಟ್ರೇಟರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಥ ಸತ್ವರಂ ಮಮ ಗೃಹಂ ತ್ಯಕ್ತ್ವ. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ತ್ಯಕ್ತ್ವ, ಲೀವ್ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್. ಮಮ ಗೃಹಂ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಲೀವ್ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್. ಅನ್ಯತ್ರ ಪ್ರಯಾತು, ಯು ಗೋ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಇತಿ ವ್ಯಜಿತ್ವ. ಥಸ್ ಹಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ. ಸೋಮದೇವ took all the help from Devrata, but now he is rejecting. See the friendship. ಹೌದಾ? So few grammar points are here. See, tavopakaram. Tavo, this you have to split. Tava plus who. Va plus who is equal to O. Tavopakaram. Okay. Now, tyaktva, shrutva, jnatva, smrutva. You see the end suffix tva, 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 tva. These are all twantavayam, tva, pratyayam. You must have learnt in the 10th standard. Tva. Okay, now Somadevasya vachanam shrutva. Shrutva kedi twantavaya. By hearing the words of Somadeva, tasya graham vihaya. Devrata left his house. Prastitaha Devrata. Devrata started. Swadukham akrosham cha sodhum na shashaka. Na shashaka. He could not sodhum, tolerate. He could not tolerate Swadukham, his grief, and akrosha, anger. He was sad, at the same time he was in a great grief because of these selfish friends. Aho dhimam imau cha swarthinau sakhayau. Aho dhikkara, fire upon my swarthinau sakhayau, my selfish friends. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನ್ಯತ್ರ ಕಿಮಪಿ ಹಿತೈಷಿ ಗಣಂ ಅನುಪಶ್ಯಾಮಿ. ನ ಅನುಪಶ್ಯಾಮಿ. I don't see any hitaishi gana, hitaishi, any well-wisher. I don't see any well-wisher anywhere. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. he was very helpless. iti vicharayan eva. Thus he was thinking only what to do, where to go, because these two close friends cheated me. Vicharayan eva, thinking like this only. Marga madhye devratah balya snehitam chandradharam apashyat. He was thinking and he was on the road. Marga madhye, in the midst of the road, Devrata balya snehitam chandradharam apashyat. He saw one more childhood friend, Chandradhara. He was not that close as Vachikamitra and Somadeva. Ayam na maya kadapi sammanito bhavat. Kadapi na sammanito bhavat. I never respected him that much. Means I was not that close to him. Like this, Devrata thinks when he meets Chandradhara. But Chandradhara, darshana matrena, just by seeing Devrata, asau brasham anananda, brasham very much anananda, was very happy. Anananda, Shashaka, these are all litlakara, pratham purusha, ekvachana. When the same letter is doubled, it is litlakara, past perfect. State board students must have learned in the 10th standard this. Shasha and Anananda. So easily you can identify the litlakar, pratham purusha, ekvachana. Brasham is very much, Chandradhara was very much happy to see Devrata. But Devrata was very disappointed. He was in depression. Nirashabhiravartato Devratah. He was very much disappointed. ಬಹಳ ನಿರಾಶೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಕಥಂಚಿತ್ ಸಖ್ಯೋ ಚಂದ್ರಧರಸ್ಯ ನಿಲಯಂ ಆವಿವೇಶ. ಕಥಂಚಿತ್, somehow, ಆವಿವೇಶ entered ಚಂದ್ರಧರಸ್ಯ ನಿಲಯಂ, ಚಂದ್ರಸ್ಯ ಗ್ರಹಂ. Somehow he entered the house of Chandradhara. He must have thought that here also lastly he has to face the same situation as he faced with Vachikamitra and Somadeva. So with the disappointment only, he entered the house of Chandradhara. Avivesha, vi. Word letter is double. So it's also litlakar, pratham purusha, ekvachana. Here see, Shashaka, Anananda, Avilesha, and one more, Samashvasayamasa. Masa is also symbol of Nitlakara. Here Sha is double, here Na is double, here Wo is double, and here Masa is at the end for 10th Gana, Dashama Gana. It is at the end. Okay, so Litlakara, Pratham Purusha, Ekvachana, all this. Okay. Saha asana arghyapadyadvi sampoojitah. He treated, Chandradhara treated Devrata by giving seat. He treated him very well. Mitra darshanat, Chandradarsya santoshat varnanatita. Varnanatita. It cannot be expressed in words. What? Chandradharasya santosha. By seeing the friend after so many years, there was no bound to the joy of Chandradhara. Now, he thinks, Devrata thinks. Why people, how people will cheat? They will cheat their friends, those who have good relation with them. There are some people in the world. They will cheat to fulfill their selfish purpose. Vividhartha paramparaya, for different purposes. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಪುರುಷಾಹ people ಪೃಥಕ್ ಪ್ರಯೋಗೇಣ by different methods. Their cheating method is completely different from one to another. In different methods they cheat. Prayogana vanchayanti, they cheat snehandan itara janan. They cheat other people who are friendly with them. Dhoka, ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಸಾಧನೆಗಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಂಚಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ದೇವರತ ಥಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ these two previous friends. ವಿವಿಧಾರ್ಥ ಪರಂಪರೆಯ ಪ್ರಮುದಿತ ಪುರುಷಃ, the people for different purposes, ಪೃಥಕ್ ಪ್ರಯೋಗೇಣ by different methods, ವಂಚಯಂತಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಾಂದಾನ್ ಇತರ ಜನ, they cheat their friends. ಸಮಯಾನುಸಾರಮೇವ ವ್ಯವಹರಂತಿ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಯ, the people in the world, how they behave, their behavior changes as per their timely need, as per their need. If they want something, they speak in a goody manner. If they don't want anything, and they will be very strict and they will be away. Understood? ತಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸೋದು, ಬೇಡದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So we will see so many such people in the world. ಅಂತ ದೇವವ್ರತ is thinking. ನಾಭಿಲಷಂತಿ ಇತರೇಷಾಮಪಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಂ. ನಾಭಿಲಷಂತಿ. They never want ಇತರೇಷಾಮಪಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಂ. Others' welfare they never want. ನೂನಂ ಅಸ್ತಿ, really it is there. ಅನರ್ಥ ಪರಂಪರಾ ಖಲ್ವಿಯಂ ಜಗತೀತಲೆ. Yam Jagatitale, in this world, anartha parampara, series of evil, series of bad things are in the world. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದುಷ್ಟ ಸಂಗತಿಗಳು ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಆತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮರನ್ ಏವ, thus recalling it. ದೇವವ್ರತಃ ತಸ್ಯ ಅಸಹಾಯಕತಾಂ ಪ್ರಾಕಟಯತ್. He expressed, ದೇವವ್ರತ expressed his helplessness in front of ಚಂದ್ರಧರ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಜನರಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಹಾಯ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತನ್ನ ಅಸಹಾಯಕತೆಯನ್ನ ಆತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. He expressed his helplessness in front of Chandradhara. Then at that time he told about the king's order and his punishment and about his two selfish friends. Rajajñam तथा स्वसख्योः विचारमपि अकथयत्. He did not keep it secret. Minister told everything about the king's order, Rajajna and स्वसख्योः विचारम, and about his two friends. He told everything clearly, openly he told. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಆತ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಹೀಗೀಗ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. By hearing that, Chandradhara was not afraid because he was a true friend. Idam shrutva Rajnah kopam aviganayan. Chandradhara aviganayan, not caring for Rajnah kopam, king's order, king's anger. He did not care for the king's order or his anger. Asau Chandradhara sarvavidham tam santvayamasa. Sarvavidham, in all the way, Chandradhara consoled Devavrata. ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆದರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಸಾಂತ್ವಯ ಮಾಸ, ಮಾಸ ಎಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್, ವಿಟ್ಲಕಾರ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುರುಷ ಏಕವಚನ. ಉಕ್ತಂ ಚ ಹೇಳ್ದ, he told, ಸಖೇ ಗೆಳೆಯ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ವಿದ್ವತ್ಸಖ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣಾಯ, ವಿದ್ವತ್ಸಖ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ನೀನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸನಾದಂತ ಮಿತ್ರ, ಅಂಥ ಮಿತ್ರನ್ನ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣಾಯ, ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು, ಮಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಹಪಿ ಯದಿ ಗಚ್ಚೇಯು, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗುದು, ಇವನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್, ತದಾಪಿ ನಾಹಂ ಸ್ವಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಪಥಾತ್ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟೋ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ, na brashto bhavishyami, I will never move away from the path of my duty if I have to sacrifice my life for the sake of my best friend. ನನ್ನ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗೆಳೆಯನನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. See the self confidence. He was not at all afraid of king's order because Chandradhara thinks friend is greater. Hey, not only he, parijanascha me parijanah, my family, swa saubhagyam akalayanti, they think it is their great fortune. ಏನಂತ, ಮಿತ್ರಾರ್ತೆ ಜೀವಿತೋತ್ಸರ್ಗೇಣ, to sacrifice their life for the sake of my friend. Even my family, my people also, they will never hesitate to give up their life to protect my friend. They think so, saubhagya. They think that it is their great fortune. ಮಿತ್ರನ ಜೀವನ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ತಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ತಿಳ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ವಸ್ತುತಸ್ತು, to tell the fact, ಮಿತ್ರಂ ಏಕಮೇವ ಭವತಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಂ ಜಗತಿ ತಲೆ. ಜಗತಿ ತಲೆ, in this world, ಮಿತ್ರಂ ಏಕಂ ಏವ ಭವತಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಂ. Friend is only one very important in this world. Compared to all, friend is the most important person in this world. You think about your friends. Okay. ದೇವರತನಿಗೆ ಹೇಗಾಗಿರಬಹುದು? He was completely relieved. ದೇವರತಃ ಸಖ್ಯು ಚಂದ್ರಧರಸ್ಯ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದ ಭಾವೇನ ವೃಷಂ ಅತುಷ್. He was very happy. Vrisham means very much. He was very, very happy by the friendly nature, Sauharda, by the friendly nature of Chandradhara. Kramena, Devratah prajanam gauravapatram abhaja. Slowly, gradually, he got the respect. Gaurava patram. Devrata was respected by all the subjects gradually. Rajaniಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಸ್. Raja got the news that Chandradhara, Devrata's friend, was even ready to sacrifice his life for the sake of his friend. That news went to Raja. असौ राजा अपि चन्द्रधरस्य प्राणार्पणात्मकमनोभावं ज्ञात्वा he came to know about the self-sacrifice of Chandradhara. Anandam avapa. He was also very happy. King had repented a lot because in the absence of the minister, it became very difficult for him to run the administration. Okay, Raja was very happy. This time he did not get angry on Chandradhara. Raja Senajit Devaratam Antara. Without Antara means without Devrata, Rajakaryam Sancharitum na ashaknot. Na ashaknot. He could not run. Sancharayitum Tunantavyam Tunamprate. He could not run the administration without Devrata. Because Devrata was his right hand. अपि च स्वयमेव चन्द्रधरस्य गृहम् आगत्य स्वयमेव राजा himself came to the house of Chandradhara. Devratam kshamam ayacha. ಕ್ಷಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ರಾಜ ದೇವರತನ ಕ್ಷಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ. He asked the excuse, pardon of Devrata. ತಥಾಚ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ರಾಜ. He thought in his mind, ಆಹಾ ಮಮ ಈದೃಶಿ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆನೇ ಇಷ್ಟು. ಓ ಮೈ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ Devrata was such a great person. I did not think properly and act. So he is repenting. So he tells, mama idrishi prajna. Ayyo nanna tiluvalike istu. Oh my understanding this much. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇತಿ ಸಮಾದರೇಣ with respect, honor, Devratam samashvasayamas. He consoled Devrata. Devrata Chandradharasya upakaram punaha smrutva. Again and again, Devrata remembered the help taken from Chandradhara. He remembered, he was very much grateful for Chandradhara's timely help. Tam Swagraham Amantra. He invited Chandradhara to his house, Rajnasa Raja Bhavanam Agacha. And he went to the palace along with king. So, happy ending. Now here, this I have explained. See, Aropishyati. Aropishyati, this you know, Vritlakara symbol, Aropishyati, Vritlakara, Pratampisha, Ekvata. Vicharayan eva, you have to split the sati, Vicharayan plus eva. Here, ne a is there, no? You have to take it out, Vicharayan plus eva. Then think ma, think plus ma. Fire upon to my selfish friends. So, the lesson ended. So, in the next class, I am going to solve all the questions. Thank you, students.